everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys my CVS haul. CVS was kind of slow this week and I really wanted to try some deals, but I didn't have all the right coupons out. Because I didn't go couponing last week, so I didn't have a lot of the certain coupons that I wanted to do, which was fine because if I don't have the coupons for it, I shouldn't get all heartbroken because I don't need them if I don't have the correct coupons for it. But what I ended up doing is going to the store. Charlotte was with me, so she slept the whole time, but it was awesome. But I ended up trying to figure out some other deals. Like, I had $15 of ECBs that were expiring today. And my husband's like, oh, just go there and just buy some stuff. And I'm like, no, I want to kind of roll them. That's how I do it. And he's like, no, you'll be okay. And I'm like, no, I kind of want to roll them. So I was like, I got to find some deals. So I did get some deals. I have a list of stuff that just did not work out in my favor. The one deal that I really wanted to do was the Revlon nail polish deal. Now, the Revlon nail polish deal was $6.29 at my store. They have it where if you spend, what, $12, you guys will get a $4 ECB or something like that. I think it was spend 12. But what I ended up doing is I ended up getting 4 of the nail polishes at $6.29, and I had 4 $3 off Revlon coupons. I also had a 6 off of 20 CRT. So I was going to use that and then pay $7.16, and then I was going to get $8 back in an ECB, making it an 84-cent moneymaker. But the coupon would only let you scan one, and she's like, well, I have to scan. Let Daddy open that. I can't open it without scissors. She's like, I can only scan one, but we could do it all in separate transactions. And I says, yeah, we could, but I don't want to lose that 6 off of 20 CRT. And then she's like, well, I could do this and I could do that. And I'm like, you know what? Don't worry about it. I wasn't mad. She wasn't mad or anything. I said, it's not a big deal. You know, if it doesn't work out, it's not a big deal. So we ended up putting that stuff back. But if you guys can do that at your store, definitely do that. I will insert a picture so you guys can see the coupon and the CRT. So the next deal I got, now there's 2 different situations I did this deal. I'm going to wait for it to reset on Ibotta. But I had 2 different Kotex deals that I did with one card and then the other card. So Kotex is buy one, get one 50% off. I only had one insert today, which is not a big deal. But I ended up getting these. Now these you cannot use a coupon because these are 16 count and that coupon doesn't let you do it from 14 to 22 count. So I did not use any coupons for this. But these were $1.79 a piece. They were buy one, get one. Sorry, I get the hiccups every time I do my video. Good thing is I won't be out of breath anymore because I'm not pregnant. But yeah, these are buy one, get one 50% off. You don't use any coupons, but I did have a CRT for $1.50 off of Kotex, so I ended up using that. So I ended up paying $1.18 for the both of these, but then you guys can scan your rebate on Ibotta, and $1 rebate comes up, so you guys can do that times 2. So you guys will get this for an 81-cent moneymaker. So this is an easy freebie. These are Security Light Day wrapped liners. There's 16 in here, so this is an easy freebie that you guys can do if you have the app. Now, I submitted my receipt, got my money back for it, and if it resets, I'm going to submit my other receipt that I did for this deal. So I ended up having only one coupon of the Kotex of each one. So I did this deal a different way. You know, you guys can mix and match. I just did this in case some of you guys only have one coupon. So these were $4.79 and this was $5.79. So it's buy one, get one 50% off. So you guys would get this for 50% off. So you guys want to use that. Now I also had a 4 off of 2 feminine products CRT, and then I also had a 2 off of 8 CRT. Now the 2 off of 8 would not work. So in the picture it shows it, but it did not work for me because I rather use the 4 off of 2 than the 2 off of 8. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. So I used two $1 off coupons, the 4 off of 2 CRT. So I paid $2.18 for the both of these. But then you guys will get $1 back times 2 on Ibotta. So once my Ibotta resets, I'm going to submit my receipt for this. So it comes out to be 18 cents for the both of these, and that is a great deal. Now you guys also have Fetch Rewards, which is my second favorite app. Scan your app and you guys will get a 1,500 point bonus. So 1,500 points is $1.50. So I got $1.50 back for scanning my app, scanning the receipt on the Fetch Rewards app. So that again is a moneymaker. So it just depends on what you guys want to do with that. If you guys haven't joined Fetch, I definitely recommend it. I do have a referral link below, and you guys will get 2,000 or 3,000 points, which is $2 or $3 to start off when you guys scan your first receipt. I usually let my points gain so I can get a free Christmas. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. And I will be doing a video sometime soon of how I start saving for Christmas, because usually July, August is when I kind of start saving up for my app. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. I ended up getting these Poise ultra thin pads with wings. These were in a different spot. Like they have some with all like the tampons and pads, and then they have some with all the Depends and stuff. So these were all like with the Depends and everything. But anyways, got these. These were $5.99. Now there is a digital coupon, plus there is a printable coupon. I don't know if there's a manufacturer coupon, but there's a $3 off coupon that you guys want to use. You guys would pay $2.99 for this, but then you guys will get a $2 back ECB, making it just 99 cents. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely go for it. There's 18 in here, so could use those in case you guys need them. I know the ladies do. Ended up getting the Colgate mouthwash. Now these were $3.99. Now popped up this morning is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens and coupons.com. Now there's also probably a digital coupon that you guys can use on the website. Also, otherwise we did receive coupons, but for 50 cents. So not the greatest, but the dollar ones are good. Definitely print those off. If you're not going to use them right away, keep them because they don't expire for a while, and those are good coupons to use. I feel like I always use my Colgate coupons that I print a lot on coupons.com. But anyways, you guys would pay I also had a $2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, so I used that. So you guys would pay $3.98 for the both of these. You guys will get a $2 ECB times 2, so you guys will get $4 back. So these come out to be absolutely free, or a 2-cent moneymaker for both of these. So I love it when I can get mouthwash for free. The next deal we did is the Speed Stick deal. Now the Speed Stick deal is 2 for $6. There is a digital coupon for 2 off of 2. You guys want to clip that to your card. You guys would pay $4 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $2 back when you buy 2, making them just $2 or $1 a piece. I usually say the most you should pay for deodorant is $1. Anything under that is a great deal, but hey, still wanted to share with you guys some deals with that. That was my haul. Actually, you know what? I had some ECBs that were expiring, so I had to buy a couple things here and there. So I ended up buying these nut rolls. I always buy these nut rolls when I need to spend like a couple extra bucks and I don't want to like search the store for them. And these are great. They're nuts and whatever the cream is. I love these. So these are always 2 for $1. So I ended up getting 4 of them because I did not want my ECBs to go to waste. But my total came to $1.33 for all that stuff. I paid $1.33. That is awesome. I ended up using $13 of ECBs, which were the 2 that were expiring, so I used those up. I ended up receiving $8 back. Not the greatest back, but hey, you know what? I still wanted to get something back instead of having them just all go to waste. I ended up getting $2 back with Ibotta, and then when it resets again, I will get an additional $2 back. So right now it's going to be this price, and then another day it'll be a different price. And then I got $1.50 back with Fetch Rewards. That is for buying 2 Kotex items, so definitely do that. So my total came to $2.83, but once the Kotex resets on Ibotta, it'll be technically 83 cents for everything, so that is awesome. I ended up getting 13 items at just 21 cents a piece, but once once it resets, hopefully, it'll be a little bit cheaper out of my pocket. My cat is right by my... She moved. Okay, so we got that. But yes, other than that, CVS is kind of slow this week. I know last week was pretty good. I wish I went couponing, but, you know, for certain reasons I did not. But I still wanted to go and share with you guys some deals as much as I could. I really wish that Revlon deal would have worked. That would have been perfect. But other than that, I will see you guys next week for another CVS haul. And thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.